new channel within like 7-8 hours, like 598 over here. Between 2 to 3 o'clock you can see bulk upload of the YouTube shorts using AI ChatGPT. Let me show you. I have just started a fresh new channel which is like this one, the Prime Movie Stock, and I have uploaded 20 reels continuously within a day, like probably within an hour, and using the ChatGPT. So let me show you how I did it, and let me show you the results as well. This is the fresh channel I have created. So this is the fresh new channel I have created, Prime Movie Stock, and here as you can see this is two video. I have uploaded all the reels and videos like 6 hours ago, and most of them I have uploaded the shorts. Okay, these are the shorts. This many shorts I have uploaded within like 1 hour. This all are 6 hours ago. Okay, and let me show you how I did it. So first of all, go to the ChatGPT, which is the OpenAI. I have already logged in. It's a very easy to log in. It's just a normal starter version, no premium or anything. Yeah, as you can see over here, I have asked the ChatGPT that best title for Friends episode 1 comedy scene. It comes with the one where it all begins. I just clicked it and applied it over here. Um, you can see over here, that's the one where it all begins, that one. And after that, bunch of that, like best title for Friends episode 1, the one which I uploaded for Rachel talking to its his father is a daddy issue, that kind of thing. And after that I just say let's just upload some of the shorts. Okay, then I just went to the shorts. Okay, and I have created this all the titles using the Chat GPT. It as soon, let me just show you the sample. uh, Text for Friends web series for YouTube shorts. It's already generated. Look, friends show, comedy, this and that, Rachel Green, all the characters named, and I have just clicked it. You can also put, like, you can just write down separate by comma and it will separate all of them. Yeah, look, and these things you just need to copy it. Let me just finish. Just copy this all of them, and whenever you just create the reels, okay, just select the file, and after that in the edit menu you can add it to here, all the text you can, as you can see. And after that let me just show you the results directly when it reach where it like go for the spike, like 10,000 views directly. So you can go to your channel and then YouTube Studio. Okay, here it is, the analytics. As you can see, it's this one is like not fully updated. It's just showing like you have 674 views, but if you just go here, it is showing the live. Okay, it's just in 48 hours, and in that you can also check. Okay, so from here there is nothing here. Today in the morning it's showing 30, 40, 50, and afternoon. So after 1 o'clock it just started like 598 over here. Between 2 to 3 o'clock you can see 360 is 3633, and as on, and it's just live counting right now. You can see, look, last 60 minutes it hits 149. I know it's not a lot. Look, it's just 6 hit 130. I know it's not a lot, but for completely new channel within like 7-8 hours, it's a lot actually. So using ChatGPT, you can create the amazing titles and text, everything for your video. And yes, it really works. It's the things that everybody are telling that ChatGPT can do this and that. That's why this is the live example in front of you, that ChatGPT, yeah, it's working. You can check over here, 10,996 and counting. So this is the video. I just want to show you guys that ChatGPT is really working or not. That's why I created this channel. I'm just gonna put the link of the channel down below, so you can go to the channel and check it like yourself, that is it working or not. And after that, after this one, I have created one other channel which is for the like content creation, you know, the green screen and stuff. So I have that one in the process. As soon as I get the results, that is it working with the OpenAI and stuff, I will just share it with you. Until then, just stay tuned to the Prime Tech Solution. Thank you very much.